my channel Neeta Acharya's Home Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one of the famous South Indian sweet recipe which is called as kai ho lige. Kai ho lige is all made of coconut as well as of dal. Today I'm going to share the coconut version of kai ho lige. So let's begin. So we'll start with this recipe by making the dough. First I have taken here 1 bowl of wheat flour. Generally, this sweet is made of maida, but I'm avoiding maida. I'm going to make the healthier version of that. So, I've taken one cup of wheat flour. I have steeped this flour. 1/2 teaspoon of ghee or oil you can take. Half cup of water and pinch of salt to make the dough. So, you can also take half a portion of wheat flour and half portion of maida if you wish to, or you can take completely maida also, all purpose flour or wheat also. So I'm taking here the wheat. So add wheat flour. I've already sieved this flour and kept into the bowl. Half teaspoon of ghee, pinch of salt. Just crumble it for a minute. Mix it well. We don't have to knead this dough too hard to soft, normal like a roti atta. And add little water to it. We'll make this knead the dough and set this mixture aside for dough to rest for 10 minutes. And our mixture is nicely set for about 10 minutes. See, the dough has to be like this semi hard, not too hard, not too soft. Yeah, and we'll keep this aside and let's look at the mixture. Light up the pan. To make the filling or the mixture, we'll first light up the pan, allow it to heat for like 2-3 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once the pan is heated, add 1 teaspoon of ghee into it. Ghee is nicely heated. You can now add jaggery. I have taken 3/4 cup of jaggery. You can adjust the sweet as per your taste. So I put in the jaggery, mix it, stir it well. The flame has to be low medium, not too high. Let the jaggery melt with the ghee. Once the jaggery is melted and it comes into the liquid format, then we add in this the desiccated wet coconut. You can also take dry coconut. I have taken a wet coconut. For the filling or the mixture, what you can do, you can add your variations also. You can take poppy seeds or you can also take sesame seeds. I am just making it plain with coconut and jaggery and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. See, the jaggery started melting now with the ghee. This is one of the super delicious recipe. Please do try this. I'm sure you'll definitely like it. Now, this is the perfect consistency we need for the jaggery. Desiccated coconut. I have taken 1 cup of desiccated coconut. This is wet coconut. You can also take dry. Mix this well. Stir nicely. Flame has to be low here so that the jaggery doesn't burn. Mix it well. If you feel that the mixture is slightly sticky, add 1 tablespoon of water. I am not adding here. Yeah, this is what we need. Perfect. That mixture cook for a minute or so. You can also add parallelly 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. As I mentioned that you can adjust the filling as per your taste. Sesame seeds can also go in. You can also add poppy seeds. And it's ready. Now we'll close the flame and allow the mixture to cool for another 10 to 15 minutes and start making rolls of parathas also. Our mixture is completely cooled. What I have done, the dough that we had kneaded earlier, I have made 2 small rolls of this. Yeah, 2 small bowls of this. I am also taking maida. So we're going to use maida, the dry maida flour, all-purpose flour, to coat the roti so that it doesn't break while when you're rolling or kneading the paratha or the roti. We'll make small round sheets, and we'll put the filling into it. So what I've done is I have made the round thin sheets like this, two, and this is one, two, and we'll now do the filling inside the roti. I've rolled the roti from all the sides 2-3 times. Just gently roll it, and your paratha or this coconut roti is ready to fry. So we'll heat the pan tawa, and we'll fry this roti on it. The pan, and we are going to gently put the roti on it to fry for a minute or so, and then gently spread ghee all over. Minute or so. This how beautiful it is blown up all the sides, so that it is cooked evenly from all the sides. Another minute or so, and it's done. You can serve this with ghee or milk, whatever you like, or eat it plain as it. Ready. Our coconut roti or Narachi puri is ready to serve. Perfectly cooked from all sides. We switch off the flame and remove it. Kayolige coconut roti or Narachi puri is ready to serve. You can garnish this with some ghee or serve it with milk. Do try this simple but super delicious recipe, and do let me know your comments. And if you like the recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.